Okay. Number 7 is use the definition of derivative to find the derivative of f of x. So the definition of derivative is f prime of x is equal to limit as h approaches 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h. And the function given is f of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. So the derivative of this is 2x plus 2, but we're going to use the definition of the derivative to find this 2x plus 2. So that is f prime of x is equal to limit as x approaches 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So that is limit as x approaches 0. For the first one, for every x, we're going to replace it by x plus h. Then this is x plus h squared plus 2x plus h plus 1. Minus, for the second part, is f of x as it is x squared plus 2x plus 1. So this is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 2x plus 2h plus 1 minus x squared minus 2x minus 1. So the x squared minus x squared is, this cancels. Then the 1 cancels with 1. The 2x cancels the 2x. So this is equal to limit as h approaches 0, 2xh plus h squared plus 2h over h. So this is equal to limit as h approaches 0, factor out h, so this is 2x plus h plus 2 over h. So the h cancels the h, then it is limit as h approaches 0, 2x plus h plus 2. So this is 2x plus 0 plus 2, which is 2x plus 2. Number B is the slope of the tangent instantaneous rate of change at x equals 2. So this is, find, you have already the derivative f prime is 2x plus 2, then evaluated at 2, and that is the instantaneous rate of change or slope of the tangent. So that is f prime equal of x equals 2x plus 2, that is f prime at 2 is 2 times 2 plus 2, which is 4 plus 2, which is equal to 6. So that is the slope, that is the instantaneous rate of change. That's the slope of the tangent. Please subscribe, share, and like, and ask your friends to subscribe, share, and like.